If you're an electrician, a DIY enthusiast, or someone who simply likes to tinker with electronics, the BSIDE Rechargeable Clamp Meter all-in-one is like a Swiss Army knife for your electrical needs. It's not just a clamp meter. It's a smart digital multimeter tester, all rolled into one handy device. This makes it incredibly versatile. For example, it measures current, capacitance, and even diode duty cycle. Furthermore, it checks ohms, frequency, and continuity. Plus, it has a AV alert and live check feature for safety. Therefore, it's a very comprehensive tool. Another great feature is its ability to measure environment temperature. This is a nice bonus. Truly, it's a powerhouse. Moreover, the BSIDE Rechargeable Clamp Meter all-in-one stands out because it's rechargeable. This means no more hunting for batteries. Simply charge it up and go. Additionally, it features an open jaw design. This makes taking measurements quick and easy. Imagine it like a helpful hand. It quickly clamps around wires. Hence, you get readings fast. It also boasts True RMS. This provides accurate readings, even with messy signals. This is important for reliability. Consequently, you can trust its measurements. Overall, it's designed for convenience and precision. Finally, the BSIDE Rechargeable Clamp Meter all-in-one offers a complete package. It's ideal for beginners and pros alike. Because it's smart, it takes away the guesswork. For instance, it automatically identifies parameters. This simplifies complex tasks. So, it's user-friendly. In short, it's a solid investment. Also, its compact size means it's portable. You can take it anywhere. This makes it perfect for fieldwork. Therefore, it's a tool you'll reach for often. Ultimately, it delivers great value. Pros: compact with great features, True RMS accuracy, DC amp clamp included, fast 6000 count. Readings: handles temperature, capacitance, frequency, live check feature, low impedance voltage tester, convenient backclip for portability, exceptional universality, versatility and reliability, very reasonable price. Accurate within specifications, good for car voltage and amps, measures microamps and capacitance, easy to read display, uses standard size leads, reads DC current, fits nicely in tool bag, good for general troubleshooting, decent on amp readings, diode testing works well. Capacitor testing within 2 cons. First unit was not within specs, positive lead needed cleaning, DC clamp on varies by moving. Instrument, will not auto switch AC/DC voltage, live voltage needs continuous button push. Control buttons sometimes double press, screen reads upside down from printing, probes occasionally pop out, probes arrived with a broken wire features. DC-AC clamp meter, open jaw design, smart digital multimeter, rechargeable battery, True RMS. Measurements, measures current, measures capacitance, measures temperature, V-alert live check. Continuity tester. This BSIDE clamp meter is a smart tool that can measure many electrical things. It has an open jaw design, which means you don't have to disconnect wires to measure current. It's like a regular multimeter but smarter and can be recharged. It gives accurate readings, even for tricky electrical signals. True RMS. You can use it to check current, capacitance, how much electricity a part can store, temperature, and if a wire is live without touching it. V-alert. It also checks for continuity, if electricity can flow through a wire, and measures resistance, ohms, frequency, Hz, and duty cycle. This compact BSIDE DC-AC clamp meter is a smart digital multimeter and tester. It comes with a rechargeable battery and offers True RMS accuracy for precise readings. It can measure a wide range of things like current, both DC and AC, capacitance, diode, duty cycle, resistance, ohms, frequency, Hc, and temperature. It also has helpful features such as V-alert, live check, and a low impedance voltage tester. Users will appreciate its fast 6000 count readings, easy to read display, and the convenient back clip for portability. While generally accurate and versatile for tasks like car voltage and general troubleshooting, some users have noted minor issues like probes occasionally coming loose or the DC clamp-on readings varying slightly with movement.